Okay, hello guys. If you're planning to buy a smart 5G Max Turbo Wi-Fi, yan, that is for only 1,995. So ito yung review ko guys, no. Kasi sabi dito, up to 10 times faster comes. Actually, tama talaga yan guys. Comes with SIM, with free only data valid for 15 days. Yan. So, yung first experience ko dito gamit when I'm using this 5G Max Turbo Wi-Fi ay napakabilis talaga, no? So sabi ko it's a game changer ng smart kasi nga I'm using before the R281 then the R291 yung sa smart. Bali yung location naman namin ay hindi kami nasa city, nasa nasa almost 25 or something, like sabi nila natin na 20 miles away from the heart of the city. But then yung ano namin, yung area namin is capable for the 5G kasi nung ginamit ko ito before ako bumili, naghiram ako ng 5G na 5G Max Turbo sa friend ko. So I try at meron siyang 5G na indicator. Yan, tatlong ito. This one is the 3-1. The first one is the status. Then the next one is the 4G. And the other one is the 5G. Yan. So, lahat ng yan ay gumagana. Yung tatlong yan ay umiilaw. Then, upon checking the portal in the 192.168.1.1, so, upon login, yan, nakita ko doon, meron talaga ng dalawang signal na merong 5G at merong 4G. So, meron siyang umaabot ng 3 to 4 bars. So, lahat ng lakas niya, kahit na ganun pa man yung kanyang speed test, gaya ng nakikita natin at almost 200. So, sa akin, pumapalo lang siya ng almost na 15. Pero, napakalakas niya dito kahit na 15, walang lag, walang 15 Mbps. I'm saying for the 15 Mbps lang ha. So sa location namin dito sa General Santos City, so yun, malakas siya kahit na yung sabayan kaming nanunood, merong iba naman sa bahay na naglalaro ng ML. So most of us here are pa talagang hard gamer. So pero but then no lag. So yun, I truly appreciated, no. So based in the experience that I have, or that I had, I mean, sa for the 13th day, biglang nawala yung indicator ni 5G.